If you're trying to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned for the video.
Come catch a glimpse, you'll see how we do it. Yeah, you see how we do it. Come catch a glimpse, you will see how we do it.
My swag on stupid, I stay on dumb. Everybody
come out so cute. I'm so excited.
So I did go ahead and blow dry and pre-section off my hair prior to starting this video. And we will be using the rubber band method. That's why you'll see all the rubber bands everywhere. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the back portion. To moisturize my hair, I will be using Cake products. Cake is like a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner and it smells phenomenal, okay? And behind that, I will be using my Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner. My main goal for this protective hairstyle is to honestly lock in the moisture. I just really don't want to have my hair being dry up under these braids. And also to maintain the frizz, I will be using my Black Panther edge control. As you can see, I'm just kind of working it throughout my hair. Then I will brush it. And literally each section I do of my hair, it's the same process. I'm doing the same exact thing I just showed you here. Then I will begin the braid. I don't want to do too much talking throughout this video, so I will just be touching on a couple key points. With the braiding hair, I try to split it with my index and middle finger, and then I'll like kind of ravel it as if it's a twisty, but my goal for that is to get it into 3 sections so I can start the box braid. What worked best for me when adding the hair, I would put the knot of the twisty like literally right on top of the rubber band, and I would let the knot sit there and I would hold it with one of my fingers as I begin to plait the braid. And I do add edge control throughout the braid just to kind of tame that frizz. I'm gonna be honest, I am quite impressed with myself. Like, it's not bad for a first timer, right? As we begin braid number 2, it's literally the same process as far as moisturizing goes. I'll use the Cake 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, followed by the Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner, and then I will just use my Black Panther edge control to maintain the frizz. I wanted to give you guys a better idea of what I meant by placing the knot on top of the rubber band and securing it before beginning the plait. As you can see, I keep using my finger to kind of hold it and make sure it's in place as I continue the plait. And make sure you guys check the description box because I will be leaving a link to every product I used today in this video. Okay, here we go again with another example. I'm placing the knot on top of the rubber band. I'm securing it with a finger, then I'm beginning the plait. And as you can see, you cannot see that rubber band. It is so seamless. what I'm doing is using my index and thumb and I'm splitting it. Then I will wrap it around somewhat of a twisty. My ultimate goal is to have 3 individual sections in order to begin the plait. And as you see, the knot of that twisty is what's sitting on top of the actual rubber band, and that's what I'm securing as I plait the hair. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely hit that thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already, and until next time, bye!